Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, and on this episode we're gonna give some love to the Prius right here. Those of you that remember, she was hit on this side. I had to fix the frame, replace the bumper, hood, fender, headlight. And that headlight, I believe, came out of maybe 2010 Prius, so it's pretty old, and we're gonna try and fix that. We have this kit right here that I picked up from Amazon. I think it was like maybe $15. It's the M3 3M Headlight Restoration little kit, and we're gonna see if we can get this headlight polished out, looking as good as the other one, which is pretty new. I'm gonna start right now. These are the headlights that the car came with, 2015. As you can tell, these are still perfect. So for 5 years, these are actually in pretty good condition. When I got the car, it only had like 23 or 24,000 miles, so these are in perfect condition. And we're not going to be doing the driver's side, but because this is from 2010 with I don't know how many miles, it looks pretty nice and foggy and yellow. So what I want to do is pretty much match this side to the driver's side. Alright, so this kit comes with a drill pad, Velcro, and then you go 500, 800, 3000, and then you polish it out with this rubbing compound. And I got my Makita drill, which you can use on that. This is actually faster, the speed on it, but for the sanding part, I'll use this for the polishing part. But for the sanding part, I'll use my Milwaukee angle drill because it's actually more comfortable to hold it this way while sanding the headlight. And when you do the drill part, it just like wobbles all over the place, so it's not as comfortable when you're actually doing the sanding. We'll just go ahead and use the Milwaukee for the 500, 800, maybe even 3000. We'll see. Maybe I'll do this with 3000 and then use my drill for the 3000 as well, and then do the polish. I might even do the polish twice. Milwaukee once and then drill the second time. So we'll see. Alright, so let's get started and get this headlight polished out. Alright, let's go. Alright, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go ahead and mask off around the headlight so we don't sand the paint. Yep. Looks like a race car. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little pad, Velcro pad, put it on here, put, what is this, 500? It doesn't say on here, but it is 500. Center it onto the pad, and I'm actually going to use a little bit of water. It'll be a little bit easier to sand it down, because when you're doing it dry, it actually clogs it all up. So let's do a few rounds and see what it looks like. All right, now I'm gonna take 800 and go over it again with this and then my drill, and then we're gonna go to 3000. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my 3000. I'm gonna use my Milwaukee angle drill, and then I'm gonna, if this doesn't do a good job, I'm gonna use my actual Makita drill, because that's a little faster. Alright, so with 3000 it looks already a lot better without polishing out even, and I didn't have to use my Makita drill yet, so the Milwaukee angle grinder worked just fine. So now I'm going to go ahead and polish it out with the Milwaukee and see how it looks, and then I'm going to use the Makita if I need to. Alright guys, and the headlight is finished and it's looking really, really good. Nice and crystal, not foggy, no scratches. And honestly, the angle grinder, the angle drill did pretty good job, but I went over with the Makita drill as well. It's a little faster, but honestly, it works pretty good. If you just take your time, apply a little bit of pressure, and you'll polish it out just fine. So, highly recommend this kit. It's only like 15 bucks. I got the link down in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I'm really happy with the results. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.